Hey guys, welcome back to SPB Creative. This is Ashwati. In this video, I'm going to show you all very easy and simple get ready with me for a function. So without any delay, let's get started. First, I have washed my face thoroughly with a face wash, and then I have applied this cucumber toner from Good Vibes, and then I'm going to use this Greenberry aloe vera gel. It's a very good aloe vera gel. I really like it because it doesn't have any color and fragrance, and it's really nice hydrating one. Once it is done, we have to apply a moisturizer, but I ran out of it, so I skipped it. But then you shouldn't skip it, you have to apply a moisturizer. Okay, then for lip balm, I'm using this NIVEA lip balm. It has got very nice tint, and it's nice, it's moisturizing. And then for foundation, I'm using this Lakme 9 to 5 Mousse foundation. They have got quite a shade range right now, so I got one which matches my skin tone, and then I have mixed it with makeup revolution highlighter. Even though both these products are very good individually, but then it was not mixing up properly. That was because the foundation is mousse foundation, so after mixing it with highlighter, it was really hard to blend. So always blend these highlighters, liquid highlighters and all, with liquid foundation. So I did struggle a bit to blend my foundation, but then once it is done, I'm like applying the same highlighter to my cheekbone. It's a very good highlighter, you guys. It's really natural looking highlighter. And then again, I'm gonna take concealer from Makeup Revolution, and then I'm gonna conceal my dark spots. Just blend it with the fingers itself, and then I'll be applying the same concealer over to my eyelids because I'm gonna apply eyeshadow, so it would help the eyeshadow to stay longer, and also eyeshadow would pop up better. And then for compact powder, I'm gonna use this sugar compact powder. I'll be applying it majorly to my around my eyes and my T-zone area, and a little bit to my neck. That's it. And then I'm gonna take Lakme 9 to 5 Plum feather shade, and then I'm gonna apply it to my cheeks and my eyelids, and also I'm gonna use the same one as my lipstick, and then I'll be just blending it really well. Use my fingers itself. It's really nice pink shade, so it's very much perfect for blush as well as eyeshadow, and obviously as lipstick. So again, I'm gonna blend this one to my eyelids very well. Once it is blended, again I'm gonna blend crease area with a clean finger. Then I'm gonna take the same highlighter, and then I'll be applying it over on top of that pink shade, so that it has that metallic finish, goldeny pinky shade. I think this suits almost all saris, all ethnic wear. It's very simple, very easy. I have tried to use the same products in different ways. So once it is done, I'll be setting it with my compact powder because both are like cream ones, so I just wanted to set it so that it lasts longer. Then for my eyebrows, I have taken Wet n Wild Ka Rocket. It's really good one, you guys. I have mixed that light shade and dark shade together and filled in my eyebrows, and then taking a spoolie, I have taken that wax from that palette, and then I'll be just combing my eyebrows so that it is set. That's it. And then to my eyelids, what I'm going to do is I'll be applying the dark brown shade to my outer corners and then to crease, and then just blend it with my fingers itself, just to give that definition. Once it is done, I'm going to take this liquid liner, which is from Lakme. It's Insta liner. I think everybody must have used it, this eyeliner, at least once, right? So it's very much easily available, and it's very affordable as well, and it's really good one. And then I'm gonna draw a very simple and easy wing liner, very simple one. And then once it is done, I'm gonna take a Plum eye pencil, and then I'll be applying it to my lash line. Okay, just 3/4, that's it. And then for mascara, I have used this lash mascara, I mean like from L'Oreal. Yeah, I was not getting the name, so I will be applying good 2-3 coats of mascara. by the way, that's my baby Ima. And then to set my makeup, I'll be using the Sugar setting spray. I think it's in matte finish. They have got two variants, matte and dewy. So according to your preference, you can choose the one which you like. Anyways, both are really good. Once it is spritzed, I'll be just fanning it a bit so that it is set. Now I'm gonna leave my hair open because my hair was still wet. It was not dried completely. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave my bangs at as it is. It's little bit wavy, and I'm not combing it thoroughly because I want that messy look. So I'm gonna take small section, just 2-3 sections, that's it, and then just twist it and then secure it with tic tac pin. That's it. It's very simple and easy hairstyle. And then I'm gonna put on that sindoor with a purple lipstick, purple brand lip crayon. It's a nice red shade, and that's it. It's very simple and easy. Get ready with me. I think this look will suit for any sari, and even good anarkalis. I mean, good in the sense like function type of anarkali. It will look good, I guess. So this sari is my mom's sari. Blouse is stitched by myself. I had this blouse I think 3 or 4 years back. Its stitching is not that perfect. It became a little loose for me. But then this my whole outfit. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. All the links will be there in description box. Please do check it out. So see you soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Bye.